healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. The doctor will tell you what is good for you. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. And if you're feeling poorly, just remember this tune. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. 'Cause the doctor and nurse, well, they know what to do.
They do.
They'll always take good care of you. So be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. The doctor will tell you what is good for you. Be happy, be healthy, and get well soon. Hello, I'm Dr. Ranj. Welcome to my surgery. Are you well?
Yeah!
Ah, good. Someone's not feeling well. I wonder who my next patient is. Who's come to visit me? Who will it be? Can you guess which friend it is? Let's see. It's Joby.
First it's fun just to watch me run. Go, go! And see me whizzing by. When I jump, I stretch right up. Go, go! And try to touch the sky. There's no fun in standing still. Running's what I need. Don't say no or whoa or slow. I just love the speed. Don't say no or whoa or slow. 'Cause I just love to speed.
Hello, Joby.
Hello, Doctor.
Pardon?
Sorry, Dr. Ranj. I've been playing football.
What's at this time? More cuts and bruises?
Mm-mm.
Can you tell me what's wrong? Oh dear, you sound a bit wheezy. I'm going to need to take a listen to your lungs.
My lungs?
Yes, your lungs. Let me show you what I mean. Take your time, Joby. There's no rush. Look, your lungs are inside you. One here and one here. We use our lungs to breathe. Joby, put your hand on your chest. And now take a big breath in and out. Can you feel your chest moving up and down?
Is that my lungs?
Yes, filling up with air and then letting it out again. But yours aren't working as well as they should. I'll need to listen to them with my stethoscope.
Stethoscope?
Yes, this stethoscope. It's a big word, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, let's just call it Stan, the stethoscope.
Stan, that's easier.
I'm going to use it to listen to your chest.
It's cold.
Now take a big breath in and out and in and out. Good. Joby, I think you might have asthma.
What's
What's asthma? Asthma is when your lungs aren't working properly. And when they're not working properly, there are some things that you might not be able to do. Like... plant balloons.
Wow, a tree! Oh, thanks, Dr. Ranj.
Your lungs are full of little tubes like the branches of a tree. You've got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds in each lung.
Oh, that sounds a lot.
It is. Look. Air goes in and out of the tubes. But if they get sore, they close up and that gives you asthma.
I don't want to have asthma. I want to play football instead.
And you will. Sport and exercise are good for children with asthma.
So what has made the tubes in my lungs sore?
It could be one of many things. Smells from cars, people smoking.
Yuck.
Yes, smoking is very bad for anyone and it's one of the worst things for asthma. Sometimes even flowers and pet fur can make us wheezy.
Oh, I showed to my friend's cat.
Was it very fluffy?
Yes.
Well, it could be that then.
Oh, but I like cats.
It's not all cats. Short-haired cats are sometimes fine.
Will you be able to make my lungs better?
Yes, we will.
I'd like to know more about my lungs.
Shall we ask Nurse Morag and the Healthy Helpers?
Oh, yes, please. Yeah, you stay there.
Hello, Nurse Morag.
Hello, Dr. Ranj. Who's with you today?
I'm with Joby, and he wants to ask you something.
Nurse Morag, can you tell me why do we have lungs?
Oh, well, that's an excellent question, but I think it's one for my healthy helpers.
Catch that ball, yeah, it's your goal. Give me questions, catch and throw. Healthy helpers will show and tell how you can keep fit and well. Catch that ball, yeah, it's your goal. Give me questions, catch and throw. Healthy helpers will show and tell how you can keep fit and well. Ask me what you need to know. Catch that ball, yeah, it's your goal. Give me questions, catch and throw. Healthy helpers will show and tell how you can keep fit and well. Ask me what you need to know. Give me questions, catch and go.
Today I'm in Derby and my healthy helpers are...
Hello, my name's Zoe. I want to be a nurse when I grow up.
Hello, my name is Charlie and I love chocolate ice cream.
Hello, my name's Anna, and when I grow up, I want to be a nursery teacher. Hello, my name's Karen, and I like playing tennis.
Now, Joby wants to know why we have lungs. And what a great question, because our lungs are amazing. Shall we find out why?
Yeah!
Right. Now, what are you guys doing just now that we all do all of the time?
Breathing.
That's right. We all breathe in and out without even thinking about it. Put your hands on your chest and see if you can feel yourself breathing in and out. And Emma, what does it feel like when you're breathing in?
It gets bigger.
That's right, because we're breathing in air, and we need air all of the time, both when we're awake and when we're asleep. So what can you tell me about breathing?
Well, we can breathe through our nose and the mouth because the lungs make us breathe through our nose and the mouth, and then it helps us stay alive.
Very good, Charlie, excellent. And Emma, what can you tell me about breathing?
When we breathe, there's lots of air comes into our mouth.
Well done. Who can tell me what part of our body we're using when we're breathing? Yes.
Lungs.
That's right, we're using our lungs. Now, who can tell me how many lungs we have? Yes.
2.
Well done. We have 2 lungs, and they're right here, and they take up most of the room in our chest. Shall we play a game to find out more about how our lungs work?
Yeah!
Yes? OK then, come on. Right, healthy helpers, what we have here is 4 balls. And we're going to play a game to see whose powerful lungs can blow the ball all the way round from the start line there, all the way round to the finish line. Who thinks they'll be able to do it?
It's easy for me.
And why is it easy?
Could you have to blow it?
So you have big lungs? OK, right. Everyone take a ball. OK, and not to go till I say so. A straw for each of you. OK, everyone stand up. Right, everyone put your ball in. Right, are you all ready?
Yeah.
OK, 3, 2, 1, go. That's it. Big breaths. Well done, guys. That's it. Big breaths in and then blow it out through the straw. Make that ball move. Excellent, Charlie. That's it, girls. Big blows. Keep going till I say so. Make sure the straw doesn't go in the water or it won't work. Wow, you all have powerful lungs. OK, coming up to the finishing line. Excellent! You've all gone round at least once. Well done, guys. You all did so well. Isn't it amazing that we've got such powerful lungs? And for that, you all get some treasure. One for you, one for you. Well done. There we go. Now, it's absolutely amazing that our lungs can make us breathe in and out without even thinking about it. But poor Joby, his lungs aren't working very well at the moment. But I'm sure Dr. Ranj is going to get them back to being their powerful self soon. Bye-bye, Joby. Get well soon.
Thank you, healthy helpers.
Thanks. See you soon, Nurse Morag.
Bye, Dr. Ranj. Bye, Joby.
Bye. I'm feeling better already.
All we have to do now is come up with a personal asthma action plan for you, Joby.
Action plan, I like it.
Or start you off with an inhaler. And to make it easier for you to use, we'll give you one of these, a spacer.
Wow, how do I use it?
It's simple. Give the inhaler a shake,
Shake, shake, shake.
pop it into the spacer, press the button, pop the end in your mouth, and now breathe. Good. Now you do that for 10 seconds. See, it's easy. And it will make your asthma better. Just ask your mum or dad whenever you feel you need to use it. Happy?
If I can play football again, yeah. Here we go.
Fill your lungs with sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share.
Yeah.
Lovely air, sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share. You're just trying just to breathe some air.
I am.
Where's it gone? It's not there. It's like your breath's been taken clean away.
Exactly.
Don't want to sound all wheezy.
Wheezy.
Want your breathing to be easy.
Easy.
Want to go outside and run and jump and play.
Yes.
Fill your lungs with sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share. Lovely air, sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share. An inhaler's just a thing
I've got one of those.
to give you back your zing and help to make your asthma go away.
Yeah.
You'll be breathing oh so easy
Easy.
and feeling bright and breezy.
Breezy.
You know that in a mo you'll be okay.
hope so.
Fill your lungs with sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share. Lovely air, sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share.
One more
Fill
time.
your lungs with sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share. Lovely air, sweet, sweet air. You've just got to get your share of lovely air.
I'm out of breath now, Dr. Ranj. Yippee! I'm on my way to Wembley.
Yes, you'll be playing football again before you know it.
Yeah, with my personal asthma plan, I'll soon be scoring the winning goal in the World Cup. He shoots. He scores. Will I always have asthma?
Some children can grow out of it, but even if you always have it, you can still make it better.
Oh, with my inhaler.
Exactly. Oh, here you go.
Thanks, Dr. Ranj. Bye.
Bye. And I'm sure Joby will be scoring goals again soon. Bye, everyone. And remember, be happy, be healthy. If you're not feeling well, it's always best to go and see your own doctor. And get well soon.